Customizable options can be useful for specialized applications. In the laboratory. Customization options, rotors, option. Different types and sizes of rotors. Importance. Tailored to specific sample volumes and separation needs. Adapters, option. Adapters for various tube sizes. Importance. Flexibility in handling different sample containers. Temperature control, option. Precise temperature settings. Importance. Essential for sensitive samples requiring controlled environments. Speed settings, option. Adjustable speed ranges. Importance. Enables optimization of centrifugal force for various protocols. Timer functions, option. Programmable timers. Importance. Automates precise timing for consistent results. Safety features, option. Customizable safety settings. Importance. Enhances operator safety and sample protection. Interface customization, option. User-friendly interfaces. Importance. Simplifies operation and reduces training time. Customizable configurations in centrifuges provide laboratories with the flexibility needed for specialized applications. To learn more about our range of centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding customization options, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.